Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is a little bit different. I've been looking through some of my old videos and seeing how much everything's changed from dry patches when I first done my swales to the trees growing and the garden beds I've built. And I thought, well, I might make a video on the garden no one shows. So basically everyone goes through it, but no one wants to show it. So I'm going to show it. I'm going to show you how the weeds are out of control and how the garden just looks like a mess. We've had probably 600 mils of rain here in Gympie, just west of Gympie, and it's probably about to flood as well. So I'm going to get the mower out and do a little bit of mowing, but before I do that, should I say, I thought, well, why not? I'll show you the garden that no one wants to see. So I'll turn the camera around and let's have a look at the chaos. I will get it under control, obviously, and you'll see it. And hopefully I may end up at the end, if I've got time and it doesn't rain again, show you a little bit of how it looks after I've given a bit of a mow. Probably won't get into the whippersnipper today. Anyway, let's turn it around and have a look. Alright, so in the same spot, camera turned around, as you can see by the water in there. Plenty of rain we've had. I'm going to make this pretty quick, because it seems that a lot of people aren't watching the whole movie or video. So as you can see, we've got gardens here. I was showing you this one. Anyway, we've got gardens behind all the weeds. It's been raining so much and everything's growing so much. Remember that garden, not that long ago, only a couple of weeks ago. I saw a whippersnip and I was going to start planting in there, but that didn't happen. We won't go in the aquaponics today, but if you do want to see the aquaponics, let me know and I'll try to do a video on it. I thought I'd clean it up and do a video, but it's been so busy lately. As you can see, everything's full of water. Probably hear the slosh. Even the ride-on that I normally use to strip it mulch around, she's buried in grass there. The garden I'm so proud of, while we've still got plants growing in there. Just got so much lawn. You know what? I might go around a different way than normal. So many videos I've made with you guys, for you guys to watch, and really interesting if you actually have a look. There's that owl I was telling you about, try to get rid of the rodents from eating the corn. Well, he was moving a minute ago. As you can see, it's just a weedy mess around here. But it's going to be a quick video, so hello Diesel. Go around to the area that hasn't been developed yet, so see the grass, and we'll just come in on a different view. At the moment, the Mary River is in Gympie, is one of the bridges closed, so it's going to start backfilling the creeks, and that will be the creek down here. So hopefully it doesn't flood. So it has come up past all these garden beds here, right up close to that fence there. But I'm hoping that's only a 1 in 100 years. There's me bales to go onto the gardens, but I'll leave it out in the rain. I don't care. I'll let it do its thing and break down. That's fine. As you can see, I've got a lot to do here. I'm gonna get the mower out, mow all this. I've got to tie this up. This is what people don't show. They don't show perfect garden. Look at these tomatoes here. They're leaning down there. They need to be tied back up onto this framework. It's been that wet and rainy, I haven't even been able to get out of here. Excuse the dogs in the background. I think someone's here. I think I'm talking to myself. Sunflowers, well, they're all fallen because the root structure's so wet. They just want to fall down, but they're still alive, so that's all good. Anyway, it's had to be a quick video, so we'll continue on. Hello. Me chickens, the people that love the chickens. Little guy's, he's growing pretty quick. They're not real happy at the moment with all the rain, but not much you can do about that. Finally, after a week or 2 weeks, to finally get out of here. Swale's been full and sinking in, which is great. Sweet potato oil, it's going mad. Compost pile, you probably saw one of the shorts with the mushrooms. Well, that was only a couple of days ago, but they've all already shriveled up and died. We'll go up there in a minute, go down for a walk for the swales, because I'm sure all of you, most of you anyway, like the swales. Banana trees are going good. Mango trees, got some mangoes on there. Sweet potato, it's coming out here too, it loves it. Now just remember, with these sweet potatoes, you just snap a bit off and throw it in the ground and it'll grow again. That's where all that's come from. As you can see, the weeding needs to be looked after on this particular swale, which is my fault. Weeds growing everywhere. You hear the slosh. Swales are full and hydrating that ground. So underneath that ground, because it won't be green like this all the time. Have a look at some of my last videos and you'll see just how dry it gets. So yeah, that's all sinking into the ground slowly. And oh yeah, I've got 2 ducks as well. We'll go back over there because I just saw them fly back in. These ducks have decided they like to hang out in the chicken pen. I won't go too quick. Well, scared them off, and they scared the chickens as well. But anyway, they keep coming down here, and then they swimming in the swales and hiding out in the swales, and they love it, eh? And I'm like trying to be quiet with them, like when I'm walking down and that, so I don't disturb them. Just so they feel comfortable here, because that's what I'm trying to get. An ecosystem that's got all sorts of birds and animals and insects. As you know, I won't go back into that too much. As you can see, like I was just looking back at some of my swale ones from about 10 months ago. So if you go back on my channel 10 months ago, you'll see what the swales were like back then. And we went through the frost and everything's grown back, and it's just doing its own thing. And it's going to get better and better. It's going to be a huge canopy. I'll just be walking underneath a canopy. Sweet potato again here. I'll be careful when I mow down here. I probably won't be able to mow down here because have a look at it, really. It's just slosh. Anyway, it was meant to be a quick video, so I'll move on. The rooster's found its voice, as you can hear. And we'll head up here. So the swale that definitely needs a good weed. But just remember, guys, it doesn't have to look pretty. You've probably seen some of the other stuff saying it doesn't need to look pretty or needs to be productive. But at the end of the day, you need something covering the soil. You don't want bare soil. And I've got a vine here, all the way down here. And that's actually a couple of years old. Well, 2nd year anyway. Planted that vine, not this year, but last year. So it's going good. It's growing everywhere, going up the mulch pile. Remember, this is a video of showing you what a garden that looks like a mess is, but it's all full of growth and life. I'm always planting seeds, new stuff's coming up. Still got some corn there. Probably go and harvest that. In a couple of days, hopefully. It's only small. Things need to be pulled out, given to the chickens, recycled. This side here, big mess. As as you can see, that's soaking into the ground. It's finally stopped raining, so that one's empty, but it's still flowing. We're gonna have a look down there. It's still flowing down the system. If you have a look at my last videos, some of my last videos, you'll see how this is all working. You can see videos where it didn't have actually plants in it, so you can actually see exactly what I was trying to do, which is working. Plenty of work for me to do. Back over here at the aquaponics now. There's just water everywhere. Not much going on in the aquaponics at the moment, but there's still life in there. It's good whippersnip. And we'll go through this jungle, showing you how it looks, what no one shows you. And you get through it. Mind you, if you've only got a small backyard or you're just doing one project at a time, it probably won't be such a big mess like I've got. I've got this banana tree in here that's only meant to be a little pup, and it's getting pretty big. It needs to be moved, but just liking it there. We've got one buried under here on the floating raft. See if we can find it. I did put it up on the side there. There it is there. Put it up on the side so it didn't get drowned until I plant it out. More plants need to go into the garden. Heaps of mint. Fish over there. Tree that's in my pathway. It's actually elderberry tree. No, it's not an elderberry tree, but there is an elderberry tree in there somewhere. Stuff growing here, there, everywhere. As I said, everything's a mess. Coming videos, everything will be clean. Old videos, you'll see things that are clean. Maybe the fish might jump. You can see them there. Hey fishy. Yes, I know I need to feed you. Here, I'll pretend I'm feeding you so you can't put a camera. There. They're doing their job. They're doing the poop. I just need to put the plants in there. And have a look at this. They're growing in the pathway. Anyway, I think that's enough. I've shown you and kind of told you what I'm trying to do with this video, showing you that it doesn't really matter. It's a mess. You'll clean it up, and it's good to show the good and the bad. So we'll see how I go, and I may end up putting, depending on how much I get done this afternoon and the rain, I may end up putting some footage of it after it's mowed, which you've probably seen in some of the other videos anyway. Anyway, thanks for watching, and just in case I put something else on, stay tuned a little bit longer. If not, I'll see you soon. Bye. Nah, it just ain't gonna happen. Well, I tried, but it just ain't gonna happen. We've got another storm brewing, and anyway, I'll show you what I did do, but yeah, it ain't gonna happen. Just kill the mower and kill myself. So the old mower, it's just just isn't going to happen. I tried, but it's just too wet, too boggy. I did get a path up to the house, down to the chickens. But as you can see here, and probably here, it's just sloshy and wet. So the before and after video definitely ain't going to happen. And like we said, it's just what a garden looks like that no one wants to show. I don't really care, because it's, as I said, you got to take the good with the bad, and this is what happens. You go from droughts or no rain to just heaps of water and mud. And yeah, if I keep going, I'll just wreck the mower. How you going, guys? They're surprisingly liking it. They're liking all the bugs and stuff. They're just picking it. I don't even know what they're picking at. They found something. Anyway, we'll call that a video, and we'll see you next time, and hopefully I'll have it a bit more cleaned up. If not, it may end up being a flood video, because Gympie is flooding, and once it backflows down to my creek, this could possibly be all underwater. Hopefully not. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and check out all my old videos. You can see what it looked like when it was all dry. We'll see you next time. Thank you.